Okay, now we're going to learn the D chord. The D chord is 4 strings and you use 3 different fingers. So the finger on this one is a little bit tricky. So let's go a little bit slower. So for the D chord, on the first string, you're going to put your second finger on the in the second fret. Let's try that again. So you're going to take your second finger and put it in the second fret on the first string. All right, now you're going to take your third finger and put it on the second string in the third fret. Let's try that again. So for a D chord, you're going to put your second finger on the first string, third finger on the second string in the third fret. And this is where it gets just a little bit tricky. It actually feels pretty comfortable, but you're going to put your first finger in the second fret on the third string. So these 2 fingers are in the same frets, second fret. Okay, let's try it one more time. Take your hand off. So second finger goes in the second fret on the first string, third finger goes on the third fret of the second string, and first finger goes on the third string in the second fret. Now you're going to play one more string. You have 3 fingers here, but you're going to add on the 4th string, which you guessed it, it's called a D. That's the note D. So D is the root of the D chord. All right, very useful chord. So let's play some Ds. Now you may find yours isn't as clear as mine. This one's going to take a little bit more practice to just get strong enough. And then I like to do this thing that I call swinging the monkey. Imagine this is a monkey swinging on a branch. Okay, so this is a really useful thing to be able to do this, where you kind of extend your wrists under the guitar. And what that does is it allows you to get more on the tips of your fingers and to kind of angle your hand in a different way to play the D chord so the strings ring. You got to make sure your fingers are really only touching the string that they're supposed to. So again, swinging the monkey swinging on a branch right here. Okay. All right. So let's find D chord again. Second finger on the first string in the second fret, third finger on the second string in the third fret, and first finger in the second fret on the third string. Now you're going to play 4 strings. Very useful chord. Let's play some D chords. Ready? Here we go. Just 4 strings, that's it. And I'm trying to really make sure I can hear each individual string. Yours may sound like this. Start by making sure your fingers are in the right places, making sure your thumb is vertical on the guitar, on the back of the neck. And over time, this will get so it's easy to play. Okay? This one sometimes sounds a little clumsy for a few days. Don't worry about that. Just try to play it often and make sure your technique is correct. All right. So let's go over all the chords we know. Can we play an E minor? Let's play an E major. Let's play an A minor. Let's play a C chord. And let's go to a G chord. 3, 2, 1. All 6 strings. And the new chord we learned is a D. Second finger, third finger, first finger. All right, let's try all those one more time. E minor. Now let's put our first finger down. That's E major. Let's go to A minor. Just move your hand towards the floor and only play 5 strings. And now let's go to C. Move your third finger to the 5th string in the 3rd fret and play 5 strings. All right, now G, remember it was 3rd finger on the 1st string in the 3rd fret, top of the tree with the 2nd finger in the 3rd fret, and 1st finger is going to go on the 5th string in the 2nd fret. Good, let's go to a D chord. 2 on the 1st string in the 2nd fret, 3 on the 2nd string in the 3rd fret, and 1st finger is going to go on the 2nd fret on the 3rd string. 4 strings. Great.